right, on today's video of how-to, we are rehabbing our house robot that vacuums the house. This seems to be a big problem. This dirt actually migrates into the transmission and jams up these two gears. They can't roll through. You can see the teeth are clogged up with dirt. Somehow it's getting into this transmission. So once you clean that up, this robot should function normally. We'll put it back together once it's clean and give it a shot. Put the robot back to work. Use a toothbrush and clean all the dirt in between the gear teeth. That's all it comes off, but you can get it out and get the grease in there. All right, as you can see, we have two robots. One we've warrantied out. That's our donor. The wheel motor we just pulled out has a bad pinion gear. The donor robot has a good pinion gear. Pull the wheel, get all the dirt and hair and everything out of this wheel assembly, re-grease it and reassemble, and you'll have a good robot again. The dirt can enter through this wheel axle behind this wheel, and it gets into the transmission and jams up these fine teeth in this gear. All right, get your robot.